So, hello everyone. And if you are looking for a job and if you are from a non-engineering graduate, this is a right opportunity for you. Cisco is hiring for non-technical apprentice role, and in this there are like subdomains of 5 roles in it. So I will explain those things and I will tell you who are eligible for this also. So let's proceed into this video. So this is a non-technical graduate apprenticeship that is hired by Cisco, and the job location will be Bangalore. And in this, if you get selected for this role, you will be working under one of the 5 roles, that is sales operation analyst trainee, finance analyst trainee, staffing recruiter trainee, people communities representative trainee, and talent acquisition coordinator trainee. So for this, you should have completed a 3-year non-engineering degree like BCom, BBA, BA, BBM, and etc. And you should have graduated in 2024, and you should have obtained your provisional degree certificate. Then you must be available for a period of 12 months, and this will start in August 2025. So you should be available for 12 months, that is like August 2025 to August 2026. So you should have a basic knowledge of MS Office tool. You should have a good communication skill, passion and desire to learn. You should have can-do attitude. You should have a proactive engagement, solution seeking, and a team player. Then you must be enrolled as a student in nats.education.government.in, and you should have a valid student enrollment number that is issued by nats. So that's it. I will provide the job link in the description. If you are looking for the job link, just check the description. And also, please let us know if what other roles you are actually looking for. We will try to post those things too. So try to apply as soon as possible. This is a very good opportunity. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.